What's up, guys? So basically, I want to talk about how YouTubers are making money. The honest truth is, you don't actually get paid to make videos. You get paid when people watch the ads on your video. And that's kind of obvious if you already knew that, but I'm going to kind of break it down just so you get an understanding and give you kind of a formula so you can reverse engineer and, pretty much figure out a ballpark number of what each channel is probably making based on their views. And a lot of people think it depends on how many views they get. It's how many views to the ad that they get, per video. Because I think about like networks like CNN or Trump's network, Oprah Winfrey, or TV networks like the National Geographic channel. They might be placing ads in front of the people that they want to watch their videos. And, the sidebar YouTube videos that you see pop up on the right column are pretty cheap, but the ones that are expensive are those pre-rolled out ads that you got to skip the ad, probably skipping the ad right now. The videos that pop up in the middle of the video, those are the ones that are count, and they charge for the amount of time people have watched the ad. And from my understanding, from a marketing point of view, you actually don't pay per view unless they watch 30 seconds or longer of the video. So that's how people get kind of cheap views to their video if they're marketers and stuff like that. But that's another topic for another video. To dive deeper into this, basically YouTube measures this by something called a CPM, which means cost per impression. For companies paying it, like let's say $1, and you don't skip the video, then they're paying $1 per CPM. That's $1 per 1,000 views. If a company is paying $10, then they're paying $10 per CPM, which is $10 per 1,000 views. YouTube is making money from these ads being shown, not the actual video views on the channel, that you always see pop up like right under the video. Some people can have 10 million views, for a rough estimate, a number like that, and only be monetizing 50% of those views. So if we were to use this channel as an example, you can see it's a popular Minecraft channel. You see they have a bunch of suggested videos on the right, and I would imagine their retention rate and their watch time, which all plays a factor in your earnings. If you're able to keep people on the platform of YouTube, then they're able to serve ads to their ideal customer through your videos. So each video might play a role in keeping the person involved in your channel. So you might want to put like episode 1, episode 2, episode 3, and so on. You get the point. And basically, this will increase your watch time and content for people to click on. You can also put annotations on top of your video just so people could click off your video and go to another video. Or you could put what they call a YouTube card, which I'll probably make another video for. You can put a YouTube card that goes to a playlist, subscribe, or a website, or any other kind of action. You can put a card leading to the destination that you want the subscriber to go to. All right, so basically let's take a look at what the formula might look like and discovering what kind of earnings the channel might be potentially making. Say you had someone else's hand in your pocket, like an MCN, a multi-channel network, which consists of like agents or agencies that help you grow your channel. You might have to divvy out 20 to 30% of your earnings to them. So that's a little less profit you might be making. But if you make your videos from home, use your iPhone, laptop, whatever you want to use, you don't really use expensive equipment. You don't need expensive equipment. You just need camera, microphone, and all the basics to basically put a video up. There's a bunch of free editing tools, and you can find a bunch of them online, and not all of them are expensive. So you might want to take that into consideration when you're making your video. We won't include them in this formula just for now. If you were to look at this in a full formula, you'd look at views over 1,000 times 0.5 times the dollar amount, which would be, for this example, we'd say $5 times 0.55, which would give you the earnings of your video. What we're not allowed to do is basically tell you to click the ads that come up on our video. If they pop up, then they're obviously being paid for by a company to be in front of you. They're there for you to look at. I don't know what kind of ad they're going to be showing on this video, but don't click the ad for me. Click it for you if you want to look at it. I'm not telling you to go and click it. Pretty much just like builds up from networks paying per view, and YouTube will get paid from these advertising placements. On top of that, we can't actually tell you how much we get paid because they'll just probably flag our account and take our channel down. The thing about YouTube is if you're getting in this to make money, then it's probably going to be hard for you. I'm not going to lie. You're just trying to do it by AdSense. A lot of people, they brand themselves, and they sell like t-shirts and all kinds of merchandise that relate to what they're doing. Like myself, I do like a lot of different projects on the side, so I might have a few things here and there. For the most part, it's a branding thing, and it's kind of confusing when it comes to AdSense and CPM and all this and that. We're not allowed to actually say how much we're earning, but there are like tools out there you could probably use, and there's other things that you can go off of to get a roundabout and ballpark number over. If you were to start your own YouTube channel, I'd probably, pick something that, you like to talk about. Over the years, like I grew a passion for, making YouTube videos and like talking to you guys and interacting and stuff like that. What you want to figure out is, why you actually do it in the first place. If you're doing it for the money, I'm not going to lie, you're probably doing it for the wrong reasons. I work on the side, I do other things, like I have a job. Maybe I get off and I'll, say I get home like, I don't know, 6 or 7 or 5 or 6 or whatever time I get home. I'll make a video then, and then, I'll edit it for like 2 hours or something like that. And then I'll probably put it up, or I'll make the video and I'll, have it saved in my computer somewhere, and I'll be editing it all throughout the week, and then I'll put it up. And it takes time. It's like having a second job. Like, a lot of people say also a job, having a YouTube channel, because it is, between answering comments and emails, and, sometimes I get bombarded with a bunch of emails and comments and stuff like that, but it is what it is. It's what I make these videos for, to get you guys the right information on things that I know, and it'll probably help you out in your future and benefit the both of us. And I just hope you guys get some value from these videos. So, definitely figure out something that, you're passionate about. Why not? If you want to make a YouTube channel, make one. Pretty much the only person stopping you is yourself. I know a lot of people are like not comfortable talking on camera, but it feels kind of weird. It's just like putting the camera. It's fine once you put the video up. It's like, oh man, I made that video. Looks good. It's also like kind of a, time portal. You see how you progress over the years, Try and do your best to, help people out and whatever they're trying to, figure out, and whatever you're good at. It can be a good side income if, you get enough videos up and you have like, videos earning here, videos earning there. But a thing a lot of people don't talk about is there is a $100 threshold. So you don't actually get paid until you reach that $100 threshold. Then they'll send you either a check or have a direct deposit, however you have it set up. But yeah, I would, definitely make one. That's why I have one, because it's, something I like to do, and I just keep growing with it. The more you do something, the more you'll get better at it. All right, so that's my take on YouTube and the secrets behind it and the earnings on it. Pretty much a lot of people aren't really allowed to talk about, but I just want to give you an idea. All right, if this helped you out, please like this video, subscribe for more content, drop a comment below if you have a question, and as always, I'm gonna go for it. After you subscribe to my channel, hit that bell so you can get new notifications of whenever I release a new video. And I try to make a new video every week. I'm not too busy, but yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.